bud, look at the state of you. I could not believe the world was so afraid of you and all the things you do. Well, you could beat the best with your tattooed arms swinging from your brawny chest, but you destroyed the nest and half your offspring too. And if we dared to raise an objection, or dared to whisper that will do, we weren't spared your brutal corrections. Is there a soul so black behind those eyes so blue? If you rewrote your book, would your sorry tale be worth a second look? What if the path you took had led you to the sun? We could play the hand that you were given, to the satisfaction of us all. And you could be the driver, not the driven, driven to despair and halfway up the wall. Little bird, I've heard your song, I've listened to it, oh, and you played it oh so wrong. It's such a bitter song. But now you're flying south, so maybe I should just forgive and shut my mouth. Or should I spit it out for you to take along? Oh, when you go, you won't be asking my permission. And when you go, you're leaving on your own. And you should know for all that there is missing, it still hurts to see you leaving alone. Oh, little bird, look at the state of you. I could not believe the world was so afraid of you and all the things that you do. Well, you could beat the best. Now your tattooed arms lay folded on your scrawny chest, and you failed every test, and you failed your offspring too. And now we both talk and neither of us listen, and the path between us is long and overgrown. So let's have a handshake stand for love and kisses, and for all the love that we may never own.